Welcome to Dave English Lab. I'm Alex, the team lead.
I'm Jordan, the developer.
And I'm Sarah, the QA engineer. Today we're catching up on a UI task that's running late. Let's get into it.
Morning, everyone. Jordan, I saw your message about the UI task last night.
Yeah, sorry about the late message. I wanted to flag it early.
No worries. What happened exactly?
I hit a layout problem on smaller screens. The design just breaks at one specific breakpoint.
Oh, I noticed that too actually. My test tablet view last night.
And how did that go, Sarah?
Well, it's a bit strange. The save button just disappears completely.
Wait, disappears? Not just misaligned?
Nope, totally gone. Like it walked off the screen.
That's a new one. At least it's not boring.
Great. My code has main character energy now.
Honestly, it made me laugh before it worried me.
Okay, let's get back to the layout issue. Jordan, how much extra time do you need?
Maybe one more day to fix it properly. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners.
I get that. Quality matters more than speed here.
Speaking of testing, I found one more thing too.
Go ahead, Sarah.
The padding between the form fields is uneven on tablet. The labels have an alignment problem too.
That's probably connected to the same problem, actually. I'll turn the button into a shared component. That way, this won't happen again.
That's a smart idea for later. Now, about the deadline. The client expects this by Friday. Can we push the deadline, or should we split the work?
What if we ship the main screens first? The smaller polish could come a few days later.
That sounds like a fair trade-off.
Yes, that works for me. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday. The small extras can wait until next week.
Perfect. I'll tell the client that today. I'll say the main task is on track, with small details after.
Better than saying everything is late.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Okay, quick recap before we close. Jordan, fix the layout, then finish the core screens by Friday.
Got it. I'm on it.
Sarah, can you retest the tablet view once Jordan pushes the fix?
Sure, I'll test it this afternoon.
And I'll update the client with the new plan. Anything else before we close?
No, that's everything for me.
All good here too.
Nice work, team. Let's get this fixed today.
Thanks, Alex. Talk soon.
Bye everyone. Good luck with the layout, Jordan.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Okay, that felt like a pretty normal stand-up, right? A small delay, one very strange bug, and a solid plan by the end.
Yeah, and my button still owes Sarah an apology.
All right, let's pick out some of the best phrases from that. Jordan, you said, I wanted to flag it early. Did you catch that one?
Yeah, that's basically my new motto with bad news.
It means you tell someone about a problem before it grows. We use it to warn the team early, calmly. Say it with me. I wanted to flag it early.
I wanted to flag it early.
One more time.
I wanted to flag it early.
Now you try it, alone.
I wanted to flag it early.
You also said, it's taking longer than expected.
Yeah, that's basically every UI task, honestly.
True. We use it when a task needs more time than planned. Try it. It's taking longer than expected.
It's taking longer than expected.
One more time.
It's taking longer than expected.
Right after that, you said, I don't want to cut corners.
Yeah, that one I really mean.
Cut corners means doing something quickly, but not properly. So this phrase means you refuse to skip important steps. Say it with me. I don't want to cut corners.
I don't want to cut corners.
One more time.
I don't want to cut corners. This one's mine to explain. I said, that's probably connected to the same problem.
Right, after Sarah mentioned the alignment issue.
We use it when two separate bugs likely share one cause. Try it. That's probably connected to the same problem.
That's probably connected to the same problem.
One more time.
That's probably connected to the same problem. I said this one. That sounds like a fair trade-off.
Right. After Sarah suggested shipping the main screens first.
We use it when both sides give up something small to reach a good plan. Say it with me. That sounds like a fair trade-off.
That sounds like a fair trade-off.
One more time.
That sounds like a fair trade-off.
Last one. I said, let's get this fixed today, right at the end.
Yeah, Very motivating, actually.
We use it to close a meeting with energy and a clear goal. Try it. Let's get this fixed today.
Let's get this fixed today.
One more time.
Let's get this fixed today.
Okay, that's the phrases done. Nice work. Let's look at a few important words now.
Oh, the UI words? Let's go.
First word, layout. Say it. Lay out.
That's the overall design of a page, right?
Exactly right. For example, the layout breaks on smaller screens. Let's say it together 3 times. Layout. Layout. Layout.
Layout. Layout. Layout.
Next word, breakpoint.
Is that when the design changes for a certain screen size?
Exactly. For example, the design breaks at one specific breakpoint. Together, 3 times.
Breakpoint. 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 Breakpoint.
Next, component. A common one in UI work.
That's a reusable piece of the interface? Like a button?
Yes. For example, I'll turn the button into a shared component. Together, 3 times. Component. Component. Component.
Component. Component. Component.
Next, padding. A simple design word.
Isn't that the space inside an element?
Exactly. For example, the padding between the fields looks uneven. Together, 3 times. Padding. Padding. Padding.
Padding. Padding. Padding.
Last word, alignment.
That's how things line up on the page, right?
Exactly right. For example, the labels have an alignment problem. Together, 3 times. Alignment. Alignment. Alignment.
Alignment. Alignment. Alignment.
Nice work with those words. Now, let's try shadowing.
Shadowing. Copying the sound and the rhythm, right?
Exactly. You listen, then say it right after me, with the same feeling.
Okay, let's do it.
This sentence uses but, a simple contrast connector. It shows one honest fact, then one clear decision. Slow version. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners.
It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners.
Now full speed. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners.
Together, 2 times. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners. It's taking longer than expected, but I don't want to cut corners.
This one uses what if, a soft way to suggest an idea. Slow version. What if we ship the main screens first?
What if we ship the main screens first?
Full speed. What if we ship the main screens first? What if we ship the main screens first?
Together, 2 times. What if we ship the main screens first? What if we ship the main screens first?
This is a clear, confident sentence about a deadline. Slow version. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday.
I can wrap up the core layout by Friday.
Full speed. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday.
Together, 2 times. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday. I can wrap up the core layout by Friday.
Okay, that's our practice for today.
That was fun, honestly.
Before we go, let's review the key phrases from today.
I wanted to flag it early.
It's taking longer than expected.
I don't want to cut corners.
That's probably connected to the same problem.
That sounds like a fair trade-off.
Let's get this fixed today.
Honestly, I don't want to cut corners is the one I want to keep saying.
True, it's a good line whenever you're tempted to rush.
One more thing before we wrap up. All our episodes are saved on our site.
It's englishlab.cloud. And yes, it's completely free.
You can replay the audio and follow the transcript anytime you want.
Keep practicing a little every day. It really adds up. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep listening, keep practicing,
Take care of your English.
and take care at work.
This is Alex.
And I'm Jordan. See you in the next one.